and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So, do you remember that wavy drawstring ponytail by Janet Collections, that tutorial I did? Yes, that one. What I'm going to be doing is creating a different look using that same drawstring ponytail in like less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested, stay tuned.
So this style can be done on freshly washed hair or older hair. First, what we're going to do is part a section in the middle. Once you have that section parted in the middle, you want to go ahead and tie it away. And then we're going to just lightly spritz our hair with some water and then apply some gel to go ahead and smooth it back into a low bun. Now it's time to go ahead and put those two braids in the front of our hair. So go ahead and take down that section that we parted and put away earlier and part it into two sections. Then you can go ahead and put one section away, go ahead and detangle the other section, apply a little bit of gel just so that it's nice and smooth, and then go ahead and begin to do your corn roll. And go ahead and corn roll your hair all the way down. As you can see on camera, my corn roll was going all types of ways, so I decided to take it out and redo it off camera so I could see what I was doing. But with this style, you can always do more than 2 corn rolls. I like this way 2 looks, but of course you can do different variations of this style. So now what you want to do is take that bun out and go ahead and add those 2 pieces of your corn rolls to the bun and put your hair back into that low bun. For a more detailed video on how to apply a drawstring ponytail, I am going to leave the link in the description box below so that you can see the other video that I've done that goes through and walks you through in great detail. So now what you want to do is grab your drawstring ponytail, comb it out just a little, and then go ahead and attach it to your bun. Of course, this next step is optional. I like the way that it gives it a nice, clean, and polished look. What you can do is take some hair from the back of the ponytail, comb it out, and then wrap it tightly around your bun. And it also disguises the drawstring as well. So go ahead and grab a bobby pin to secure that piece of hair in, and you're all set for that. The very last thing that I do for this particular look is I just add a little bit of baby hairs, and then I also add in some fun hair accessories, some hair cuffs to the look. So of course you can jazz up your final look however you choose to, but these hair accessories are definitely a nice fun look. So that concludes the look. Like I said before, it's a super fun, super easy, quick style. And this is just one other way to add some variation and some flavor to the basic drawstring ponytail look. And as you can see, here's a full view.
So like I said, is super easy, super quick, and just gives you one more option and way to rock that drawstring ponytail. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe right away and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And be sure to drop me a comment below in the comment section and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.